Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing the YSL Lou camera bag in quilted leather. Mine is in the color black with gold hardware. When I bought this bag in January of 2019, I really didn't see that many people carrying it. But now I feel like it's gotten super popular, so hopefully this video will be helpful. Overall, I really like this bag, but there was one incident that made me rethink the quality of the YSL brand. If you want to skip to that part, I've time-stamped it below. Alright, without further ado, let's dive into the review. As always, I'll start with the pros of this bag. First, I really like the size of this bag. I've used it on several trips and it has enough capacity to hold just what I need without it being too bulky. I typically pack my wallet, keys, cell phone, chapstick, and some medicine, just in case. And as you can see, there's still plenty of room left for other knickknacks. The inside part of this bag is cloth, so it's very easy to clean. I also like that there's an inside pocket that can separate smaller items. I've mentioned this before in my previous videos, but I'm fairly rough with my bags, and so far with this bag, which I've been carrying for about a year or two, there really hasn't been any scratches despite it being a smooth leather. And lastly, I like how the straps can be adjusted. There's 6 holes spanning about 7 inches, so there's a lot of flexibility with the length of the strap. That's really helpful for a petite person or if you're very tall. I usually have to adjust the strap to the shortest length on my other bag since I'm short, but with this bag, I can comfortably use it at this setting, which is the second to last hole, and can still adjust it shorter if I needed to. Moving forward to the cons. The first con is the current price of the bag. When I bought this bag 1.5 years ago, it was only $11.50. Now it's listed at $12.90, and to me, that's just an insane price increase. Now, I know that almost every luxury brand is doing this, raising their prices, but to be honest, I just don't know if I would buy this bag at the price it is now. I would definitely look into maybe secondhand options or just another bag altogether when it's at this higher price point. So my second and biggest con is the inconsistent quality of the bag. This is actually a replacement purse due to a previous defect with my original Lou bag. My first Lou bag was missing this pretty critical piece. It was missing this gold metal piece that's embedded right here. It had it on one side but not the other, and this piece is important because it holds the strap in place. Now it's hard for me to show you guys anymore, but there's actually a small opening in this connecting metal piece, and what had happened to me was that this leather piece right here actually slipped through that small opening in that connecting metal piece. And so as I was getting out of my car, my whole bag just fell into the parking lot since the strap came off. Luckily, that's not a big deal because I was in a parking lot, but imagine if this had happened to you when you were on a busy street or like near a body of water, then the bag would have been a complete goner. I guess one silver lining to this story is that this really highlighted the YSL's customer service. I was able to get a brand new replacement bag ASAP. All I did was bring my original defective bag to the YSL store, and I pointed out that it was missing the silver piece and told them what had happened, and the sales associate quickly acknowledged the issue and just gave me a brand new bag the same day. So, even though this kind of was a big issue, I'm happy that the YSL team was able to address it, and there really wasn't any hassle to it. The next thing I've noticed with the inconsistent quality is that with this second bag, the zipper area right here in the center tends to bulge upwards. With my first bag, which I had carried for about 5 to 6 months, that never was an issue. So again, just some inconsistent quality between each individual bag. I get it that each bag is handmade, but these are kind of obvious areas where quality control could be improved on. Now, I'm not too bothered by this because I think when you wear it and you're moving around, it's not too noticeable, but I just think it's odd how each bag is so different from one another. So my advice when you're looking at this bag is just to be careful before you purchase it. Make sure you're seeing it in person. Make sure you have both of these metal end pieces and that everything else is to your liking. To summarize, I really like this bag a lot despite its quirks. It's convenient to carry and holds everything I need. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.